Lucy, sit. Down.
All is love from Frisco Bay. Yeah, I never understood till I was grown why my daddy didn't spend a little time at home instead of running around the country that way. Whoa, I'm looking at the world through the windshield, seeing everything in a little bit different light. I got a sweet little thing that I'm dying to see in Nashville, and I'm down around Dallas and I'm rolling south tonight. On strips of rubber that you see burn out this rig by the likes of me, and they'll rot along the highways in this land. I'm gonna sign my name, that diesel smoke, and let the ones that come along behind the truth try to keep this place I'm sitting in